Hello guys, good morning. Today I am super excited. Do you know why? कारण मी आज चेन्नईला जात आहे. येस, इट्स अ व्हेरी स्पेशल ट्रिप फॉर मी. मी तिथे क्विंटम सेरेमनीसाठी जात आहे, जी उद्या म्हणजे 26 ऑफ एप्रिलला होणार आहे. अँड वन मोर एक्सायटेड पार्ट ऑफ दिस जर्नी इज दॅट वी ऑल एंजल्स आर गोइंग टू मीट इन पर्सन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाईम. ज्या एंजल्सला मी फक्त कॉन्करिंग सेशनमध्ये भेटले होते. Conquering session which was designed by Malika, our mentor, and one more important thing about her that she is the daughter of South Indian director Ravi Kumar. आणि म्हणजे आम्ही तिला प्रत्यक्ष बघणार आहोत, भेटणार आहोत. दिस क्विंडम सेरेमनी इज ऑल्सो ऑर्गनाइज्ड बाय मालिका ओनली. आतापर्यंत मी या सर्व एंजल्सला ऑनलाईनलाच कनेक्टेड होते. But today finally we all are meeting face to face, and one more excited moment for me that it is my first solo journey. For the first time असं होणार आहे की मी माझ्या फॅमिलीसोबत नसणार. I have never traveled this far alone before. But माझी फ्रेंड पीना जी मुंबई गिरगावमध्ये राहते, तिला मी जॉईन करणार आहे. सो आय विल मीट हर इन मुंबई अँड वी विल बोथ फ्लाय टुगेदर टू चेन्नई. अँड मला खरंच असं वाटतं की युनिवर्सनी हे माझ्यासाठी प्लॅन केलेले आहे सोलो जर्नी. युनिवर्स हॅज प्लॅन दिस सोलो जर्नी फॉर मी बिकॉज my future journey is also going to be a solo one. So I'm grateful to universe for this. So yes, today is really a very special day for me. I'm feeling very happy, excited, grateful and ready. Thank you for being a part of this moment with me. So nice it is.
That's not me. I don't know where I am. Oh, there I am.
Oh, everyone is there.
No.
Khushi.
Khushi. Hey, no. Oh, wow, nice.
Take a video.
Thank you, Parisha. Thank you.
Nice, Parisha. Tanya.
Tanya.
Focus on Tanya.
You're blackish one. Bye.
Thank you.
Hi. Hello everyone. Prasanna. Parisha. Khushi. Here. Sandhya and Priya here. Hi. Thank you.
Let's hop to Feathers Hotel Chennai. This is a 5-star hotel.
back on that time. Today is your crowning moment. This was not just a journey. Through this journey, you became someone new. Don't ever think today you're just getting certified as life coaches. No. You are literally going.
There's a bigger dream waiting for you, just waiting for you to step into it.
How can I manifest the money that I want? Like, give me 1 or 2 hacks for it, for especially a further self-development.
Yeah, that has already happened for many people in the room.
Yeah.
So I know Sharanya Krishnakumar for what I can remember. So when she paid the deposit, she had no clue how she was going to pay the balance for CLC. Yes, Sharanya. Yeah. And somehow she managed. Somehow. And not just Sharanya, but I'm sure so many of them were nodding. I can see Nikita nodding, I can see Rajalakshmi, you know, all these girls. And honestly, all of this they have, you know, about them, I knew only when they were finishing the program. Had I known it earlier, it could have been different. But then only when they were in the summit and they were telling me their story, they was like, Mal, I had no idea, I just paid and then the money came. I think you need to see, when you are paying for something, if you're going to look at it as, you know, okay, I'm paying for this and I just have to earn that money back, nowhere God is going to send you the money. But you pay from your heart and you think that, you know, this is going to help me, my family, and the day I heal and my family also changes, I'm going to use all my energy to change as many lives as possible. You just operate from that energy and you pay. God is going to, how can God not send you? Because God knows what is going to happen the moment He sends you the money. It is happening. You pay with that intention, of course you're going to manifest.
Money is energy.
Absolutely.
Right? I mean, apart from the courses, how many of you have experienced like this? Like I do, okay? When my mother, of course, we went on a background where we had to start from scratch and I was still studying. And then my mother, we didn't have food to eat. So my mother started putting the falls in a sari, which gives you 20-30 rupees. I think it's intention.
Honestly, from the lyrics till the music till the all of that, it's all my husband. That you know this is what, and then he was asking what is their journey, tell me more, and he was collecting all these notes, and he was the one who created this. So I think all the credit goes to him, and to sing it, so hearing it by ourselves felt different, but singing it along with all of you felt like something else, you know. Super, thank you, and also thanks Divya for you are the first audience. I think we can stop on stop.
And we don't have to worry about how did it come back to us if we come back. So thank you. We are giving with the, can you see everyone's love? This 12,000 rupees is a small amount, but I promise you the love and energy and the magic of this room will be beyond what even that money is. So to all the girls, and thank you for supporting the cause. Please give them a round of applause. Walk for Plastic Saranya. Now, hashtag winner. Come forward for the maximum hashtags. And Mal will do the honors by giving that gift. Sure that you occupy the rows in the front so that those, like you know, today everybody's on time, but the first 15 minutes we're giving it as a buffer for those who are traveling. They can take their seats at the rows behind. We'll begin off in a minute from now.
abundance. And this room needs to have all of that energy of abundance. And it's not coincidence. It's the deepest, it's the manifestation of your deepest desires. Now, if you have abundance in you, then it's not a coincidence that the number is 8. And you know what?
I can't hear you. Last time. And let's do this together. 1, 2. Can you make some noise? All the best. You have the big sisters around. Feel free to go around and check. A 15-minute short refreshment break. And this is affirmations there. You know, we have to take I'm a rock star swimmer. Have you ever heard that? Okay, so are you ready to be the life coach? Okay, but that's a long way. What's your favorite song right now? Thunder? Yeah? Should we sing Thunder together? No? Okay. Before that, I want to understand one thing. What do you mean when you say I'm an artist? Artist. Oh, you do art? Yeah. You know, I must tell you something. Art. By the way, is this the birthday gown? No, right? It's not the birthday gown. Where's your birthday? That's a different one? Different one. Okay, she just had her 5th year birthday, so let's give her a round of applause.
Honestly, from the lyrics till the music till the all of that, it's all my husband. That you know this is what, and then he was asking what is their journey, tell me more, and he was collecting all these notes, and he was the one who created this. So I think all the credit goes to him, and to sing it, so hearing it by ourselves felt different, but singing it along with all of you felt like something else, you know. Super, thank you, and also guys, Divya, you are the first audience. I think we can stop on stop.
And we don't have to worry about how it will come back to us if we come back. So, thank you. We are giving can you see everyone's love? This 12,000 rupees is a small amount, but I promise you the love and energy and the magic of this room will be beyond what even that money is. So to all the girls, and thank you for supporting the cause, please give them a round of applause. Walk for Plastic Surrender. Now, hashtag winner. Come forward for the maximum hashtags. And Mal will do the honors by giving that gift. I'm not just a dream, I
अब बाहर आओगे? लड़ना है?
मैली मैली सी सुबह धुलने लगी है, मैली मैली सी सुबह धुलने लगी है, गिरा लगी थी सांस में खुलने लगी है, खुलने लगी है। बर्फ की डली थी कोई घुलने लगी है, गिरा लगी थी सांस में खुलने लगी है, खुलने लगी है। खुलने दो, खुलने दो आसमां, खुलने दो, खुलने दो, खुलने दो आसमां, खुलने दो। उजाला हो तो जाएगा कहीं न कहीं से, अंधेरा भी छटेगा ही कभी तो जमीन से। पलके तो नहीं है नजर उठने लगी है, गिरा लगी थी सांस में खुलने लगी है, खुलने लगी है। खुलने दो, खुलने दो आसमां, खुलने दो, खुलने दो, खुलने दो आसमां, खुलने दो, खुलने दो। खुलने दो, खुलने दो आसमां, खुलने दो। हक है हमको कुछ आज कर ले, दुनिया चाहे ऐतराज कर ले। बिगड़े ज्यादा सुधरे हुए कम, अब तोड़ेंगे हर कायदा हम। बोझ नहीं शाम से कल मिलो काम से, अभी तो हम देख लो बिल्कुल गए के घर के सारे रास्ते भूल गए। वो जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए। क्राइम के रास्ते भूल गए, अब तो हम बिल्कुल गए। आए ऐसी चौड़ में कि जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए। मुझसे नशे में गलती हो जानी है आज तो, यारा संभलना कोई हो जाए नाराज जो। मैं तो बदमाश हो रहा हूँ कल शरीफ था, बिगड़ा हिसाब दिल का पहले तो ये ठीक था। होश नहीं शाम से कल मिलो काम से, अभी तो हम देख लो बिल्कुल गए के घर के सारे रास्ते भूल गए। वो जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए।